Hello friends, welcome to Be Learning Club. So in this interesting tutorial, I will show you the some of the basic code you should know in the command prompt. So first of all, how to open the CMD or command prompt, just go to the search button and type the CMD. So just click on the command prompt. So CMD will open and just go to the folder where you want to open the CMD in this directory. Just type CMD and hit enter. So now command prompt will open in this directory. You can see this is the directory of the downloads. So you will get the all of the codes from the Google or from the chat GPT or the copilot, but I will show you some basics codes and how can you use it. You should know this code at least. Okay, so this is the command prompt and the directory is the downloads. So I want to show you at first the all of the folder or the file list inside the downloads folder. So how can we show that? So for this, just type dir, that means the directory. So just hit enter. So this is the all of the file list you can see inside the downloads folder. So now just close it and I just go to the desktop and search for the CMD and now hit enter. So now just type dir. You can see the all of the files and folder. You can see the hidden file and hidden folder also. Okay, so now the next thing is the change directory. How can you enter the directory like music? How can I enter the directory like download? So from here I want to change my directory. Okay, so for this cd means change directory and I want to enter the downloads, not documents. DOWN and just hit tab. It will automatically fetch the downloads and hit enter. Okay, so I am now inside the downloads folder. Okay, so here I want to print all of the files and folders. So for this you can use the dir. Okay, so now for this here I can create another folder named tutorial. So for this, how can you create another folder? So for this, just type mkdir, make directory. Okay, so make directory and just type tutorial and hit enter. So now just go to downloads and you can see the tutorial, sorry, this for the spelling. So tutorial folder has been created. So now I just copy this text. Now I just copy this text into the tutorial folder. This is the text file or this is the image file, any whatever you want to copy. So at first type copy. I just copy the image file. What is the image file name inside this downloads directory? So this is the name AI image. So now type AI and hit tab. It will automatically fetch. So copy this AI image and .jpg, whatever the full name of the image file. Now hit the space and enter the destination where you want to copy. So I want to copy inside the tutorial. So here, how can I fetch the destination? Just click here. You can see this is the directory, C users, then downloads, then tutorial. So I just copy it and now here just paste it. Okay, so first what I did, copy, and whatever you want to copy from downloads directory, then this is the name of the folder. So and then I type the directory name where I want to move this folder. That means the copy this folder. So now hit enter. So now you can see AI image has been copied inside this folder. Okay, so now the next thing is how can we remove the directory or delete the folder. At first I want to show you how can you delete the file. So for this is the very simple. The code is del and just type the file name. So the file name is, so at first I want to go inside the tutorial folder. So cd change directory and type tu and hit enter. It will automatically hit tab. It will automatically fetch. Now I am inside the tutorial folder. You can see now here the just type directory. So here you can see the file name is aiimage.jpg. I want to delete this. So for this, just type del and ai dash image.jpg, full name of the jpg file. So now hit enter. Now you can see this has been deleted. from this folder. Okay, so I also want to remove the directory tutorial. So for this, just back to the downloads. For back, you have to type cd dot dot and hit enter. You can one step back from whatever your directory is. So I was in the tutor inside the tutorial directory. So now I typed the cd dot dot and then I am in now downloads directory. Okay, so here I want to remove this tutorial directory. So for this, just type r remove rm rm and dir, remove the directory, and just type the directory name tutorial. Okay, now hit enter. So now you can see the tutorial directory has been deleted. Okay, so for the copy, you can use the copy code. For remove directory, rmdir. For change the directory, you can use the cd, and back the directory, use the cd dot dot two times dot. And how to delete use del, then the file name inside the directory. So friends, directory or path, it is the important thing in CMD. So now friends, you can see the text file here. So just open the CMD. I want to print whatever is inside the text file. So for this, just use the type command, type, and inside this directory you have to open the CMD at first, then type just type type, and then file name text. Okay, so type the full file name text.txt. If you type tex and then hit tab, it will automatically fetch. Okay, so now hit enter. So inside this file, what is written? This is B Learning Club short tutorial about CMD. Okay, so this is the text file, and you can type, you can type the txt, that means the file name .txt, to print whatever is inside the file. Okay, so now friends, just type cls. So cls command will work, that means clear the all of the things whatever you write before. So just hit enter. So now you can see clean all of these things. CLS command, that's the way of work. So now the next thing is ipconfig. So what is ipconfig? Just type ipconfig to see all of the IP configuration of your Windows, all of the DNS, IP configuration, IP protocol version, whatever IP4 you are using, whatever default gateway, what is the subnet mask. So this is the thing you can see by IP config. Then friends, you can check the ping also. So I want to check the ping of YouTube, ping, then type youtube. How fast YouTube work in my system? Let's see in my network actually. So just type youtube.com. At first you have to type ping and then type youtube.com. So in this case, directory is not matter. So you can see you can see the time and TTL. So time is for 52 ms. So here you can see the approximate things. Minimum 52 ms, maximum time 55 ms, and average time is 52 ms ping. So now friends, now I will see you one of the most important thing. So what folder, what files, whatever work is running on your PC or system, it will show you. How can we do this? So use task list. So task list is the command. It will show you whatever is running. So you can see this. These all things are running. Okay. So you can see these all things are running. So you can see this. Okay, so these are some important commands you should know. Thank you friends, thank you for watching the tutorial, and see you in next tutorial. Thank you.